What's up guys, I've had people tell me when I was playing League of Legends that they were either disconnecting, lagging, or they had high pings. And I've told them many times on how to fix that issue, and so far their issue has stopped. Open up the League client where it says to launch and whatever shit there is, and you want to go up to the upper right hand corner where you see a question mark. You click on that question mark and then you'll see a list of options. You want to click repair. After you click repair and you read the words, you click yes. Be wary though, you will lose save settings for item sets, but that's about it. But then you just have to remake those, and no one really gives a shit about that. After you finish with the League of Legends client, you want to search for disk cleanup. You want to run disk cleanup, and after it finishes running and checking all your files and all that shit, it'll pop up a window stating items that can be deleted. You check all those items and you click OK. After you click OK, all the unnecessary useless items will be deleted. Another option I use is called defragment and optimize drives. This helps just to organize the files to make sure they are in or where they are supposed to be. For me, this takes a couple hours because I have a 1 terabyte drive. Depending on how big your hard drive space is and how much files you have on your computer will depend on how long it takes. It may not be seen as a much noticeable difference to some people, but it may help regarding lag, connect, or just low CPU in general. It's not a big replacement, but it may help by like 10 or 15% of the time. If I am still experiencing disconnect, lag, or just high ping, I usually do this. I go into my administrator account and I go into device manager. I look for my network settings and I update my internet adapter card and check if there are any updates. And I also see if my graphics card has any updates as well, because sometimes those can interfere with the game and cause lag as well.